SB19's Niebe live performance goes viral. One thing about SB19, their live performance always delivers. In fact, it is equal or even better than their studio version. And proven and tested na yan for how many times? Kaya naman, hindi na nakapagtataka na nagugulat at nasusurpresa ang mga casuals na first time mapanood ang kanilang live performances. Tulad na lang nitong Niebe live performance ng SB19 sa New Year's Eve countdown sa MOA na nag-viral pa with 1.2 million views and counting in less than 24 hours. Here are some comments from the casuals. Bihira sa mga singers yung consistent ang boses sa live performances compare sa recordings. Isa itong SB19 sa masasabi kong napakalinis mag-perform even sa live. Not a fan but I'm starting to like them. I am really an enthusiast for ultimate performers and this group right here is just it. Ang galing-galing. Mics were on. Tindi ng live vocals nila, especially Stell. LSS na ako sa song na to since I watched Green Bones and napalisin ako sa discography ng SB19. I think I'm now a baby 18. This group is truly a generational talent. I'm not even kidding. Naa-amaze ako na may mga songs sa SB19 like Mapa and Niebe where they can show their vocals. Recently lang ako nakapakinig ng mga songs ng SB19 and sa totoo lang, as of now, si Stell pa lang ang member na nare-recognize ko. But listening to the members' voices, sobrang nagagalingan ako. I hated them for so long, I don't even give myself a chance to know and listen to them. Masyado ata ako na brainwash dun sa old fandom where I belong. Daan sila sa TL ko always, I ignore them. Kahit alam ko maganda, magaling, nahihirapan ako i-love mga vids. This 2025, it's time to get to know them. Wow, heartfelt indeed. Not an 18 but loved some of SB19 songs like Mapa and Hanggang sa Huli. But after hearing Niebe via Green Bones trailer, this song is now my top 1 SB19 song. Iba ang feels.